Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add reviews to a Squarespace website. This is squarespace.com, and to start this tutorial, we need first to log in to our account. Then click on this website button below your desired website. Then go to Pages in order to locate the page you want to add reviews on. Let's add it on this page called Reviews. First, you need to click on this edit button to go into the editing mode. To add your reviews, click on add section. Click on this add section blue button, and from this left side menu, look for testimonials. Select the testimonial template you want to add. This is the reviews template I want with. To edit the content of these reviews, select this section first, then click on edit content. Go to the content tab, and you can click on the review and edit. In order to edit the image, for example, click on it or click on replace. You can upload it from your computer or select it from library. You can go with free images or premium images. Let's go with the free images. Select your image from here, click on add image, and it will be replaced in a second. Now click on this back arrow. You can also edit the elements like hiding the reviews titles or not. You can also show or hide the button. I don't know where this, I think this is the button. And you can also disable the reviews images from here. Same thing with the title for the body and also the button. This is the button below the reviews. And you can also edit the design of these reviews from simple list, banner, slideshow to carousel. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. You can also edit the alignment of the reviews text, the image crop. Let's keep it circle. And after that, click on save to not lose your reviews or your edits. And to preview your reviews live, click on this arrow to go into the preview mode. And this is how the reviews shows up on your website. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.